How's it going, guys? Welcome back to e-autosports.com. We heard about the Rocket Bunny or Pandem body kit a lot, but we never see it in person. So today we have a pair of front fenders for the Master MIATA ND, and we're gonna open it up and check it out. The part number for this front fender is this ND front fender. Ooh, check this out. Looks very well made. The gel coat looks nice right out of the box. The holes looks really precise. Great line. I gotta say this, you gotta still set your expectation right. Even if this is a Rocket Bunny kit, it is still fiberglass work, so you will have to do body work and sand this and paint it properly. But this looks really good. What can I tell you? I personally have experience with working on fiberglass parts. I had a dual flex bumper and diffuser for my Miata, and the fiberglass is very thick and heavy, and then they put like a thick gel coat on it, and very often they have a lot of air bubbles that you won't notice until you hammer on it. But this one is really good. It's really well made. It's very thin, and the gel coat is very thin too, and finish looks really nice. Yeah, so it's just great. Okay, and this is the piece that goes to the front bumper, and it goes like this. Looks nice as well. Ooh, the holes. Some Japanese words on there. Regarding the wait time, usually we tell customers it's going to be around 5 months of waiting, but this one we ordered at April, and it came June 1st today. So sometimes it will just come sooner than we expected. This one is being shipped to a customer. We're gonna pack it much better with a bigger box. I'm not gonna bother taking the other one out and show you, but you get the idea. If you want to purchase the whole body kit, you can go on our website e-autosports.com and you'll find it there. Or hit us up on Instagram or email and we can help you out. Thanks for checking out this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.